Good morning, Diamond Forest. Thank you for everyone who paid their rent early. We're going to now draw the two winners of the early bird contest, where you will get $500 off your next month's rent. All right, we're gonna hit shuffle first, a couple times, and here we go. Our first winner is L111. We'll be in contact with you. All right, now we're gonna do the second winner, shuffle. Here we go. K214, you are the second winner. I will reach out to everyone, and thank you very much